Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Excel, but not just any Excel. We're talking about efficiency, speed, and those pro-level moves that'll make you a spreadsheet ninja. We're gonna break down the top 10 shortcut keys that every Excel user needs to know. Trust me, once you integrate these into your workflow, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without them. So, if you're ready to ditch that mouse and unlock true spreadsheet mastery, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic Ctrl+C. This is your go-to for copying cells, ranges, formulas, you name it. Just select what you want to duplicate, hit that Ctrl+C combo, and boom, it's on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever your spreadsheet building heart desires. Now you can't have a copy without a paste, right? That's where Ctrl+V swoops in. Once you've got something copied, select the destination cell or range, hit Ctrl+V and watch as Excel pastes it with pinpoint accuracy. It's like magic, but for spreadsheets. Sometimes you don't want to just copy data, you want to relocate it like a spreadsheet ninja. That's where Ctrl+X comes in. This shortcut cuts the selected data, removing it from its current location and placing it on your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. It's like copy and paste, but with a touch of teleportation. Chapter 4. Ctrl+Z, the undo savior. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you accidentally delete a formula, overwrite some data, or make a formatting mess. But fear not, because Ctrl+Z is here to save the day. This is your trusty undo button, allowing you to step back from any spreadsheet mishap with a single keystroke. Chapter 5. Ctrl+Y, the Rito renegade. So, you undid something a little too enthusiastically with Ctrl+Z, and now you want to bring it back? No problem. Ctrl+Y is your Rito partner in crime. This shortcut will reapply the action you just undid, bringing back that deleted data, reapplied format, or anything else you might have accidentally reversed. Chapter 6. Ctrl+F, the search sleuth. Need to find specific data in a massive spreadsheet? Don't waste time scrolling endlessly. Ctrl+F is your new best friend. This shortcut opens up the search bar, allowing you to type in any keyword, number, or phrase, and Excel will highlight all matching instances in your sheet. It's like having a detective on hand for all your data finding needs. Chapter 7. Similar to Ctrl+F, but with an extra layer of magic, Ctrl+H is your go-to for replacing data. Let's say you need to change all instances of product A to product B. Just hit Ctrl+H, enter the text you want to replace, and the text you want to replace it with, and Excel will work its magic across your entire spreadsheet. Sometimes you just need to select everything. Whether you're applying formatting changes, copying the entire sheet, or just want to get a bird's-eye view of your data, Ctrl+A is the shortcut for you. One keystroke and your entire worksheet is selected. No more dragging and dropping. This one's a no-brainer, but it's so important that it deserves a spot on this list. Ctrl+S is your save shortcut, and it's your best defense against losing any of your hard work. Make it a habit to hit Ctrl+S regularly. You'll thank me later. Last but not least, we have Ctrl+P, your gateway to the physical world of spreadsheets. Need a hard copy of your masterpiece? Just hit Ctrl+P, adjust your print settings, and send that data to the printer. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 Excel shortcut keys that will absolutely transform your workflow. These shortcuts are all about saving you time, reducing those repetitive clicks, and making you feel like a true spreadsheet wizard. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start integrating these into your daily routine and you'll be flying through Excel in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching.